What's the meaning of carious? Carious. Carious.
Carious. Carious. The term carious refers to the description of a decayed or damaged tooth caused by dental caries, commonly known as cavities. Dental caries is a progressive disease that damages the structure of teeth and can lead to pain, infections, and even tooth loss if left untreated. The condition typically results from bacterial infection, poor oral hygiene, and a diet high in sugar and refined carbohydrates. Treatment options include fillings, root canal therapy, and extractions, while prevention involves regular dental checkups, brushing twice daily with fluoride toothpaste, flossing, and limiting sugary foods and drinks.